3 dates can stop a UTAP AI tool subscription claim before the form is even reviewed: when your approved course ended, when the subscription started, and when you submitted the claim. Check them before you buy. This is an AI tool subscription claim under the Union Training Assistance Program, or UTAP. It may defray up to 50% of an eligible cost, but approval is not guaranteed. Your remaining shared annual UTAP cap can reduce the amount. Start with membership. Your NTUC membership must be paid up from the subscription start date and still paid up when you claim. The subscription must be for your own use, not shared, and another source must not have fully funded it. Next, search the official NTUC Finder and select the AI course filter. You must first complete at least one course on the current approved list. Its end date must be within 1 year before the tool subscription begins. You do not need to have claimed UTAP for that course. Now switch the Finder to AI tool and match the exact paid plan, not only the product name. A family such as Claude may have specific eligible tiers. The catalog can change, so check the live result immediately before purchase rather than relying on this video or a training provider's list. Then check all 3 clocks. The course must end no more than 1 year before the subscription starts. The start date must fall from the 1st of May 2026 through the 30th of April 2028. Finally, submit within 6 months from that start date. Late claims are rejected. Build an evidence folder before you open the form. The official requirement includes proof of payment for the subscription, such as an invoice or receipt. If you did not submit an AI course claim earlier, add proof of course completion, such as a certificate or result slip. Files may be PDF, JPEG, JPG, or PNG, with a maximum of 5 megabytes each. If bank details are missing or changed, the portal also requires bank evidence showing your full name, bank name, and account number. For a foreign currency purchase, enter the Singapore dollar amount shown on the bank statement. Keep the subscription confirmation and membership details as backup records, not as universally mandatory uploads. For the official route, begin at the NTUC website. Open eServices, choose Apply here under UTAP, and log in with Singpass. Select AI Tool Subscription Claim. If you have no earlier AI course claim, the form first asks for the course details and completion proof, otherwise it moves to the tool section. Enter the exact tool plan, subscription dates and amount, then upload the requested evidence. Preview every field, read the declarations and terms, and submit. Use synthetic screens in any demonstration, never record a real Singpass login, NRIC, invoice or bank account. A successful submission gives you an application ID and a system email. Save both. An ID confirms submission, not approval. Track the claim through Membership eStatement, where you can view your UTAP balance and application history. NTUC's Help Center says processing can take up to 4 weeks. Watch for email and respond if the team asks for clarification. Statuses such as pending approval or processing mean the review is still underway. The common mistakes are simple: an unapproved course, the wrong plan, a late subscription, a claim after 6 months, shared use, duplicate full funding, or missing in oversized files. None of the checks guarantees reimbursement. Recap: paid up member, approved course, exact approved plan, 3 valid dates, complete evidence, official Singpass route, then save and track the application ID. Prevailing NTUC terms apply, so recheck the live program page and catalog before purchasing and claiming. For help, use UTAP at e2i.com.sg or the NTUC membership hotline shown on screen. The practical document checklist is in the description.